Hey everyone, welcome back to Legit or Scam, where we dive deep into trending products to uncover the truth. Today, we're investigating the Odalit Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder, a product that claims to whiten teeth, remove plaque, prevent cavities, relieve pain, and even help regrow lost enamel. Sounds impressive, right? Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Product claims and availability. Odalit is marketed as an all-in-one dental solution, boasting benefits like enamel restoration and tooth regeneration. It's available on multiple websites, including lunamess.com, Site du Fetchen, and Shopee.com, Site Zero Search 5, often under slightly different names but with identical images and descriptions. This widespread and varied online presence can make it challenging to verify the product's authenticity and effectiveness. Certification concerns. The product listings mention certifications such as GMP, Good Manufacturing Practice, and approvals like CE and COA. However, the certificate images provided are often small and unclear, making it difficult to confirm their legitimacy. This lack of transparency raises questions about the product's credibility. Customer reviews and testimonials. Customer feedback is mixed. Some users report positive experiences, noting improvements in oral health and tooth sensitivity. For instance, a review on Amazon.com mentions, "So far I love it and have high hopes this all-natural alternative will deliver and strengthen my teeth and at the same brighten and whiten." Site turned searched 3. However, the limited number of reviews and the absence of detailed, verifiable testimonials make it difficult to draw definitive conclusions about the product's overall effectiveness. Doctor endorsements. Some websites feature endorsements from medical professionals. However, upon closer inspection, these endorsements often lack verifiable details, such as the doctor's full name, credentials, or professional background. This absence of concrete information makes it challenging to confirm the authenticity of these endorsements. Trustpilot ratings and external reviews. As of now, there are no significant reviews or ratings for Odalit Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder on Trustpilot or other major review platforms. This lack of external validation is a point to consider for potential buyers seeking unbiased opinions. Conclusion: legit or scam? While Odalit Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder presents an appealing solution for various dental issues, several red flags warrant caution. Inconsistent online presence. The product appears on multiple websites with varying claims and branding, making it difficult to verify its authenticity. Unclear certifications. The provided certifications are often blurry and unverifiable, raising questions about their legitimacy. Limited and mixed customer feedback. The scarcity of detailed, verifiable reviews makes it challenging to assess the product's true effectiveness. Questionable endorsements. The lack of verifiable information about endorsing professionals adds to the uncertainty. Given these concerns, it's advisable to approach this product with caution. Always conduct thorough research and consult with a dental professional before trying new oral health products. If you're interested in exploring Odalit Teeth Restoration Mineral Powder further, we've provided discounted links in the description and pinned comments below. Remember, your dental health is crucial, so make informed decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest product evaluations.